First, today we are going to see one problem from plus 2 max. So we have to solve this equation and find the type of conic. Okay, identify the type of conic and find center, foci, vertices and directrix of the given equation. 18x squared plus 12y squared minus 144x plus 48y plus 120 equal to 0. Now this can be written as 18x square, bring this term here, minus 144x, 12y square plus 48y plus 120 goes to the other side, which is equal to minus 120. Okay, now from here you can take 18 as the common term. So 18 into x squared minus 8x. So 18 into x squared, 18x squared, 18 into 8 will give you minus 144x, plus you take 12 as the common term. 12 into y square plus 4y, 12y square, 12 4s are 48y is equal to minus 120. Okay, now here x square minus 8x. So x you leave it. So in the place of 2ab you have 8x. In the place of 2ab you have 8x. So 2ab is equal to 8x. In the place of a you have x. You substitute x. 2b is equal, x gets cancelled. 2b is equal to 8, b is equal to 4. Therefore we can write x minus, that is a is x, x minus b is 4. X minus b the whole square is equal to x square minus 2ab, which is minus 8x plus 16. But what we want only x square minus 8x. Okay, therefore bring the 16 this side. X minus 4 the whole square minus 16 is equal to x square minus 8x. So in the place of x square minus 8x we can substitute x minus 4 the whole square minus 16. Okay, now coming back to the second part, we have in the place of 2ab we have 4y. Okay, so 2ab is equal to 4y. 2yb, that is in the place of a we have y. 2yb is equal to 4 5, y gets cancelled and b is equal to 2. Therefore we can write y plus 2 the whole square as y square plus 4y plus 4. But we want only y square plus 4y. So bring this 4 this side. So minus. So y plus 2 the whole square minus 4y is equal to y square plus 4y. For this you substitute this value. Okay, that's what we are doing here. So we have x square minus 8x, which can be written as x minus 4 the whole square plus 16 minus 16 plus 12 into y plus 2 the whole square minus 4 is equal to minus 120. So just we have replaced this with this and this by this. Okay, now you multiply once again, bring this 18 inside. So 18 into x minus 4 the whole square, 18 into 16 is 288. Then 12 into y plus 2 the whole square, then 12 into minus 4 minus 48 equal to minus 120. Then minus 288 minus 48 you bring to the other side. So remaining terms will be here 288 plus 48 minus 120. If you add all the three you will get 216. Now divide throughout this equation by 216 because we need 1 at the right hand side. So if you divide by 216, these two terms will get cancelled and 1. Here 18, if you cancel with 216 12 times, 18 into 12 is 216. Similarly 12 is 18 times. The next step is this x minus 4 is replaced by capital X and y plus 2 is replaced by capital Y. So capital X and capital Y. So capital X is what? X minus 4 and capital Y is y plus 2. Now we will get the standard form of equation. Okay. So just now we saw x is equal to x minus 4, y is equal to y plus 2. So if you substitute x square by 12 plus y square by 18. So this value is greater than this value. So therefore, this is an equation of the ellipse with major axis parallel to y-axis. Therefore, this 12 is b squared and this 18 is a square equal to 1. Now we know the standard form. So the orientation of the ellipse is vertical. Okay, vertical. Now here a square is 18, b square is 12. So a square is 18, a is equal to plus or minus root 18, a is equal to plus or minus root of 9 into 2, plus or minus 3 root 2. Similarly for b squared is equal to 12, b is equal to plus or minus root 12, b is equal to plus or minus root of 4 into 3, b is equal to plus or minus root of 4 is 2 root 3. So now we have found out a value and b value. Now e is equal to square root of 1 minus b square by a square. So b square is 12, a square is 18. You just substitute 18 minus 12, take square root. You will get e value. 6 is 3 times. So you will get e is equal to root of 6 by 18. Therefore e is equal to 1 by root 3. Because 6 is 3 times. So root of 1 is 1, root 3. Now we want one more value which is AE. A value we know 3 root 2 into E. E value is 1 by root 3. So now this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So here this 3 will have root 3 into root 3. This 1 root 3 and here 1 root 3 gets cancelled and remaining we have root 3. Root 3 into root 2 it gives root 6. This you have to remember because these values is used for the later part for solving the equation. Okay. Next. Now we will go by we have to find center, vertices, foci and directrix. So refer to capital X, capital Y, and this is referred to small x, small y. So capital X is equal to x minus 4, capital Y is equal to y plus 2. So this we already saw. Okay, right. Now first center. Center is here 0, 0. So capital X value 0, capital Y equal to 0. So now you substitute. For capital X you substitute 0, x minus 4, for capital Y 0, y plus 2. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 2. Therefore center is equal to 4, minus 2. Next we will go for vertices. So for vertices the coordinates are 0, plus or minus a. 0, plus or minus a just now we found out which is 3 root 2. Now x value is 0. Capital X value is 0, you substitute, which is equal to x minus 4. Bring this 4 this side, x equal to 4. Now capital Y is given by y plus 2. See, capital Y you have y plus 2. Okay. Therefore y is equal to what? Capital Y minus 2. So this capital Y is plus or minus 3 root 2. So plus or minus 3 root 2 is the capital Y, which is equal to y plus 2. Bring this plus 2 this side. So you will have this will come here minus 2 plus or minus 3 root 2. Now you have two values. First x is 4, first value is minus 2 plus 3 root 2. Second value is x value same 4, minus 2 minus 3 root 2. This is single value. This is y value, small y value. This is x value. So now we have found the vertices. Okay, right. Now then we will move on to find the focal points, foci. So to find foci, we have the formula 0, plus or minus AE because the ellipse vertical. So this coordinate is 0, AE and negative side 0, minus AE. So plus or minus AE value we found already, which is going to be plus or minus root 6. So capital X is equal to x minus 4. The value is 0 is equal to x minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Now we know the value for small x. Capital Y is equal to y plus 2, which is plus or minus root 6, which is equal to y plus 2. So small y is, bring this to plus 2 this side. So you will be having two values, minus 2 plus root 6 and minus 2 minus root 6. So the final answer is x value is 4, y value is minus 2 plus root 6. This is one focal point. Another focal point, x value is 4 comma minus 2 minus root 6. This is another focal point. Okay. So lastly we have to find about equation of the directrix. So equation of the directrix is capital Y is equal to plus or minus A by E, which is equal to plus or minus A value is 3 root 2, E value is 1 by root 3. Okay. So now bring this here, this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, and we have root 2 in the denominator, 1 by root 3, so it will go to the numerator. Now root 3 into root 3 is 3, so this can be combined together. 3 into 2 is 6, so plus or minus 3 root 6 for this capital Y, which is plus or minus 3 root 6. So capital Y is equal to y plus 2, which is plus or minus 3 root 6 is equal to y plus 2. Bring this plus 2 this side. You will be having y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 3 root 6. That is two answers, two directrix. Y is equal to minus 2 plus 3 root 6 and y is equal to minus 2 minus 3 root 6. Okay. So that's all about solving this problem. This is 12th standard plus 2 max. Okay, so they have asked for identify center, foci, vertices and directrix and the type of conic. So basically this is a vertical ellipse and we have found all the answers. Thanks for watching. Nandri.